Today we're working on a 2012 CLS. What we're going to show you how to do is how to remove the center console wood trim to get access to the ignition switch behind it. We'll have to remove the cluster, the bezel around the cluster. First we're going to start by removing this trim right here. First step is the outer panel. Just clip this with your plastic tool and it'll slide right out. You got one torque screw here from the side holding in the wood trim panel. You also have one screw right here to the left of the glove box up top. Now once that's removed, now this passenger side of this panel is removed, we can move over to the driver's side. Now we're on the driver's side, we're ready to remove the rest of the middle panel, the cluster bezel, the cluster, as well as this panel here on the side. We're going to need to get access to the wires right above the steering column. We're going to start by removing the passenger side panel. We've got the passenger side off. On the driver's side, right above the key switch, you're going to see there's a little indent in that graphite panel. You're going to pass your right angle pick through it, and there's a clip that you have to push upwards. Once we've got the panel removed, we'll show you that clip. It's a little tricky. You want to pull it out a little bit. Very careful with the fiber optic, and it'll pull right out. Then you can remove this panel and disconnect your 3 switches in the middle. The retaining clip holds into the panel right here, and it's the metal knob that goes up and down right here. We'll try to get you some close-up pictures on that. So now we've got the center trim taken care of. We're also going to remove the driver's side trim as well. We're going to do the same thing we did on the driver's side and remove this side plastic. With the plastic tool, and clip it, pull outwards. We're going to have the one torque screw to remove here. This panel just unclips and you got the one plug to remove from the side. Now we've got access to the bezel around. There's 2 screws holding it on. Now again, using your plastic tool, going around the top of the bezel, you're just gonna pull it out a little bit. Just making your way around. Once you've got them all out, you can just pull outwards on this bezel. Now we've got the cluster to be removed. There's 4 screws, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. We're going to unscrew those as well.